So anti-reactive RevOps, about 50% of the field is still operating this way, where firefighters get the CRM, like help, tickets, this, that, and the other, and I'm leaning into doing it in a different way and charting the path to bring us from this very reactive mode of RevOps to proactive. How can we start to be prescriptive and think ahead and truly strategic? And my battle scar story is around a time I was building CPQ and now it was time to get to V2. So almost anti-Tana story. People love me too much. Where I was the first person they wanted to knock on the door, tell me what's wrong, because I had made a reputation for myself to make complex things simple, reading the room, whether they're verbally saying things or their body language is telling another story. And what happened with that, so the first MVP of the CPQ build, I'm talking to the reps, I'm talking to the AMs, I'm talking to CS, I'm talking to the C-suite. Give me your Christmas list, what does that look like? And so because of that reputation of giving people Christmas all year long, that became my reality. And I remember I actually pulled up the picture like 4 a.m. this morning. I was like, let me see if I still have this photo. And it was a photo of me after a very long day meeting with engineers to talk about the design, getting my team rallied up, and then all the C-suite started putting time on my calendar later that day, and now I'm bouncing around from meeting to meeting because everybody wants Christmas again. And so while that was very great, I think I got in my car, took a huge deep breath, and I looked at myself. My hair was frazzled, and I had expo markers in my pocket. That's how bad it was. But at the end of the day, that was like my best and worst day of RevOps, because I realized, wow, people are actually coming to me because of the trust that I built. And this MVP is gonna be so great. I'm so excited because I'm super technical too, but it was the best day and the worst day, kind of having that realization that things are gonna work out.
Amazing.
Yeah.